This is how it looks inside a dishwasher. This is a tabletop or countertop dishwasher you are seeing over here. It has been opened up and you can see two trays. One, an upper tray here. This is an upper tray. You can keep glasses over here. And this is the lower tray. You can keep plates over here. This is the place where you can keep spoons and small things like that. This is for spoons and small things. See that there are small rollers over here. These small rollers over here are meant for easy sliding inside. You can see it goes very easy inside. Put the lower tray so that I can demonstrate this fan-like rotor. Removed the upper tray and kept it upside down to demonstrate the fan-like rotor on the lower side of that tray. Every time you load the plates and utensils to be cleaned, you have to make sure that there is no obstruction to this rotation of the rotors or fans. Dishwasher washes by spraying water, and at the time this rotor also rotates. So if the free rotation of the rotor is prevented, it can get damaged also.